There it is. Find an activity that you love. Find out what the problem those people are having and offer them a solution. And that's what you're going to do with your YouTube channel. But you're going to find yourself a niche. Now, how do you find a niche? A niche, first of all, what is a niche? A niche is an activity, a sport, anything that has an audience, has a group of people involved that do the same thing. That's a niche, right? And then what you would do is you figure out what the beginner has a problem with. Every niche has a problem, has an issue, has something that goes on and the beginner gets stuck in, okay? Whether, no matter what it is, I'm not going to go into niche specifics, right? But you find out what the problem is in that niche and you offer them a solution, right? So you find an audience, you build an audience, okay? You find out what problem they're having and then you offer them a solution. Basic marketing, and you're going to do that with your YouTube channel, free traffic from your YouTube channel. So you find a niche. How do you find a niche? Okay, there's a link in the description, youdidn'tknow.live. Go there, sign up for the email list, and sign up for the email list there, and you will get a workbook on how to become an influencer, how to become a YouTuber, how to use social media to make money online, right? So that's what you want to do. You want to go down and get that free ebook, okay? But don't worry about subscribers, okay? People are always about, don't I need to have a lot of subscribers to make any money online on YouTube? You don't need a lot of subscribers to make money on YouTube. Matter of fact, you don't even have to be monetized. Everybody wants that. Everybody needs the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. And that's pretty hard to do in order to get AdSense and to make money from the ads that are played on your videos, right? But that's not the best way to make money, right? The best way to make money is through affiliate marketing, and that's going to be done through traffic. And traffic has nothing to do with subscribers, okay? Traffic, YouTube is a search engine. It's the number 2 search engine in the world, okay, behind Google. So people are always on YouTube searching things. So like I always say, the Lego guy. So the Lego guy makes videos on Legos, and he puts description in the description. He puts a link for the Legos. People click the link, and they go to and they buy Legos, and he gets a commission, right? That's how he's making money with his YouTube channel. So now people are going to click search in the YouTube search bar, Lego, put together this Lego, and his video is going to come up, and then they're going to make a purchase. He's going to make money. So it has nothing to do with subscribers, because that person wasn't a subscriber. That person was somebody that went on YouTube searching for something, and that video came up. It has nothing to do with subscribers. Okay, subscribers are nice, you need them, but traffic is what you need. And how do you get traffic? Through the search bar, right? Search engine and suggested. Okay, so how do you get to be suggested? Well, if you have a video that's good enough that people watch it through the whole video and they don't jump off it if the first 30 seconds, if they stay and watch it, that triggers the algorithm to show it to more people. So if you make a video that's valuable to people, they're going to keep watching it, and then YouTube is going to show it to more people. That's how you get traffic. And then traffic is how you make money on YouTube, because traffic is the key to anything, right? And it's free traffic. YouTube is free traffic. So you're going to commit to 3 to 5 years on this YouTube channel thing, because it's not going to be something that's going to be overnight, right? Now you're going to hear the gurus say 1 to 2 videos a week. You have to do 1 to 2 videos a week. You have to be consistent. But don't make my mistake of doing 1 to 2 videos a week to the point of quality. You're just throwing them out there, hoping something's going to stick against the wall. And the problem is you're not improving the quality. You're not getting better. You're not improving your gear. You're not improving, your presence on camera. And so you're just putting out crappy video after crappy video. So that's a waste of time. So find out what your schedule is. If it's every 2 weeks, it's every 2 weeks, right? If it's every 10 days, it's every 10 days. If it's once a month, it's once a month. Put out a quality video. How long does it take you to put out a quality video, and make that your schedule and be consistent with that? Don't get caught into 2 videos a week, 1 video a week, whatever, 6 videos a month. Everybody's different and every niche is different. So we talked about watch time, but now let's talk about thumbnails. Now your thumbnail is your movie poster. It's what's going to catch their eye as they're scrolling through. So you want to make a good thumbnail, and there's videos on how to make good thumbnails. I'm not going to go into specifics here, but you make a good thumbnail, and then you make a good title. Now the title serves 2 purposes. It backs up the thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail and title go together to enhance the click, So the thumbnail is going to stop them from scrolling, and then the title is going to get them to click, right? So the title has to be, first of all, searchable. You want it to be a searchable phrase. So something someone's going to type into the search bar, All right. That's a searchable term. It has to be a searchable term. And, of course, you want to go for a low competition type keyword, right? Because the thumbnail is grabbing attention, but you want to generate curiosity. That's what you want to do. So you want to generate curiosity, searchable term that generates curiosity. That's what the title is going to be. You marry that with your watch time, and it's going to trigger the algorithm to get you views, right? And the more views you get, the more money you're going to make, right? Then the description. Okay, the description is where it's most important because, of course, you're going to put in a nice paragraph on the subject of what your video is with keyword phrases in there so that the algorithm can figure it out when they scroll it, when they do what they do, the matrix crawl, right? But you put your links in there. That's the power of affiliate marketing. You put your links in the description with YouTube. YouTube is, like I said, the number 2 search engine in the world. People are going to search it, find the video. Now, here's the thing. I always say, it's a clone of you. You've done the video, and that's a clone of you. It's out there. It's you as a video. You're out there, and it's promoting a product, right, or a service, right? So now it's out there. It's a clone of you. Now you do that so often, every so often. Now you have a clone army out there after 5 years of all of these videos. Maybe hundreds of videos are out there, clones of you going out there and promoting products for you. While you sleep, while you're on the beach, while you're on vacation, while you're at the kids' baseball game, wherever you are, these videos are out on the internet working for you, okay? The YouTube channel, it's a very powerful way to make passive income, all right? Descriptions. And then, of course, now we're going to talk about in YouTube, they have playlists. And you're going to what's called looping content, right? So you're going to make playlists so people are going to go from one video to the other one. And it also, that triggers the algorithm. The longer you keep people on YouTube, the more YouTube's going to serve up your videos to them. So you're going to have playlists that are going to loop content. And at the end of the video, a video is going to pop up, an end screen is going to pop up, and it's going to be at the end of this one too, where it's going to say subscribe, and it's going to be the next video that if you want. And there's different ways to do it. You can choose what video goes there, or you could have YouTube choose what video it goes there based on who's watching it. They say best for viewer, so they'll figure out what's the best video you have that person would want to see next, right? Now, of course, your editing skills, everything has to get better. Your editing has to get better. Your lighting has to get better. Your camera has to get better. Your presence on video has to get better. All of these things have to get better with every video in order for it to improve. You just don't throw stuff out there, right? And of course, you need channel art. So you need a channel page art, for your homepage, right? You get that done on Fiverr. You can try to do it yourself, but in order to get it right on all 3 platforms, on TV, on desktop, and on mobile, it's very hard to get it done if you're not very good at graphics. I had a very hard time doing it. I've been successful a couple of times, but for the most part, it's just easier getting professional doing. Fiverr, it's $5 to get it done. You can get a profile picture and a channel art together, no problem, lickety split, and be in business. So that's pretty much what you want to do to start your YouTube channel. Start it in a niche, right? Now, in order to grow in there, you need to start following and subscribing to other people in the niche, right? In your niche. And when they do videos, when you get a notification that they put out a video, you go and you make comments in their video, positive comments, add value, right? And that's going to, first of all, it's going to make you known in the niche. Right? People are going to see, because people read the comments, they're going to see that you're making comments. They're going to go check out your channel, right? It's going to make you aware to the other channel that you're in there, right? And then the next bit of advice that I give you is reach out to these channels that are about your subscriber size and in your niche, and, partner up, do collaborations, work together. They're not your competition. Okay. Figure out what they're doing right and do what they're doing, right? So they're not your competition. They're what you want to model yourself after and keep going. And you're going to make lifelong friends doing that way. All right. If you got any value from this video, hit the like button, right? So you hit the like button for me. That'd be great. And, as always, you can subscribe to the channel. We talk about passive income streams and ways to make money online. And like I said, YouTube has made a decision that this video here, the next one is going to be, is the one you need to see next. So click it. Let's keep going. Let's get a YouTube watch loop going and keep watching my videos.